Let's see how to build AI ChatGPT voice chatbots using the new OpenAI ChatGPT update. So recently, OpenAI has released humanized voice samples for the API. So that means when you actually build AI chatbots, you can actually generate humanized voice responses as well. So let me play this voice for an example. They have released a few voice samples as well. So let me simply play this one over here.
The golden sun dips below the horizon, casting long shadows across the tranquil meadow.
So this is just one example. So we can actually change whatever the voice you want. So let me change this voice and play this one.
The world seems to hush, and a sense of calmness envelops the earth.
So this is another voice. So likewise, they have actually released 6 humanized voices. So what we can do here is that we can actually generate AI responses using these voices automatically as well. So in this video, I'm going to show how this actually works over here. So we have created an AI chatbot for this particular wedding planning agency, which is called as Modern Rebel. So let me show how this can actually works on Messenger over here. So let me share my phone screen over here. So whatever the questions we ask about this particular business, it will simply answer. So the way we actually set up at this moment is that if we actually send a voice note, it will respond to us in the voice text messages. If we simply send a text messages, it simply respond to us in the text form. So first of all, let me simply send a message, hi. And since this is a text message, it simply respond to us in the text message, and it says, hello, how can I assist you today? If you have any questions about Modern Rebel Co and the wedding planning services, feel free to ask. So let me send a voice note over here. Who is the founder? So I simply sent a voice note asking who is the founder of this particular company, and it should actually respond to us in the voice itself as well. So it will take just a few seconds to process this particular request and respond to us in the voice format. Now let me play this particular voice format over here.
The founder of Modern Rebel Co. is Amy Shack Egan. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
So as you see, it simply respond to us in the voice format, and we actually set the alloy as the voice. So that's why means this particular voice alloy. So that's why you hear the same
promising a peaceful night's rest.
Same voice in the messenger as well. We can even change the voice samples as well. So let me ask another question. What is the email address? So here I ask for the email address, so it should respond to us with their email address, which is hello@modernrebelco.com. Let's see how this actually generates the voice and send it to us over here. So it will take just a few seconds, and let's play this.
You can contact Modern Rebel Co. by emailing hello@modernrebelco.com for inquiries and more information about their services.
As you see, it simply responds to us over here. So let me quickly show the setup as well, so you can actually learn how this is actually set up. So here we are actually initially starting with this OpenAI action, which we actually use this prompt templates to provide any kind of information about this particular business, and we actually saved that particular response in this particular field AI output over here. And after that, we actually check whether the particular customer's input. So we also save the customer's input type as well. So if it is text, we simply output the text which we generated from the AI output over here. Otherwise, if it is not text, that means most probably it's a voice or something like that, we can simply send this particular input to the we actually have this action, convert text to speech action, and send this particular exact text generated from the AI action in the previous step, and using this voice alloy and saving this particular voice message into AI voice output. So here you can simply change to a different voice, and it simply respond to us in the different voice. So now I change the voice to Shima. All right, let me publish this one. And here since we actually convert this particular text into the speech, we want to send it as a voice message as well. So simply we add content. Here we are using file audio, and here we are using simply using the AI output AI output voice over there. So that's how this is actually set up. So if you want to send some kind of voice messages, even if they send the text messages, you can simply connect this condition to here. So every time a particular customer contact you, you will be responding to those customers in the voice messages over here using the shimmer voice which I just use. So we can actually test this again as well. So here, if I send the message who is the founder in the text form, it's going to respond to me in the voice format, because I actually changed the condition over here. Regardless of the input type, it simply convert the text to speech and send to me a voice note over here. So let me send this same message over here, who is the founder over here, and let's wait a few seconds for it to process, and it should send us a voice note this time, because I actually changed the way we actually. So it's loading. So once it is loaded, so this is a voice, a different voice. If you remember, I chose the shimmer.
The founder of Modern Rebel Co. is Amy Shack Egan. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.
So as you see here, this is a different voice, and if I play this one, it's a different
Founder
voice.
of Modern Rebel Co. is Amy Shack.
So both are different voices, because we actually changed the voice over here. So that's why you are seeing different voices. So likewise, you can really choose whatever the voice you want to use over here and create any kind of AI voice chatbots using ChatGPT. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.